One of my most important tips that I give to my sellers when we have a sit-down meeting to talk about what they can do to help their home sell, I always mention decluttering. So decluttering is simply going through your home, trying to put things away so things aren't just sitting out all over the place, finding ways to organize the home and declutter it. So even boxing a bunch of stuff up and putting things down organized in the basement with boxes stacked on top of each other. So getting your main level, your upstairs, your main living area pretty much decluttered to the point that it feels clean, it feels open, it doesn't feel like there's just all kinds of stuff laying around everywhere. This really helps the perception of value of the buyer when they come through the home. So as they're walking through the home, they're trying to picture themselves living in the home, and then they see all these different distractions, everything laying all over the counters, everything all over the living room, all over the dining room, and they start to feel like this is a hoarder house. It starts to lower the perceived value of the home. They start to not think it's worth as much in their mind, and they might not be willing to offer your asking price. Or if they get into a bidding war, they might not be as tempted to give a high offer above ask price anymore because of the clutter and the chaos of the home. So decluttering can actually be a hidden gem that can actually help you sell your home and get more value out of it. Making sure you have your home nicely cleaned before showings, have things picked up, put away, try to wipe counters down, try to make sure the toilet lids are clean and toilet lids down, just simple tips like that to make your home present better for showings. That's going to help the buyer's impression of your home when they come through for showings.